Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to Nagbantay Vlog starring Pabibo. Sino ka ba?
Tagale.
Yes, and...
LOLA.
Yeah. That's right, LOLA.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Baby Nitro. Baby Nitro. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Oh, Oribado. Oribado.
Yeah, because it's hot.
Oribado. Look, it's cat.
Look, he's here. Look, he's here. Grandma's here.
My little Charlie. My little puppy bear.
Dwaine put him in there without anything on.
He's just nappy on, syempre. May diaper pa siya.
Ba't wala akong dami?
Sarap kaya ng tulog niya. He slept for an hour and a half. Hey, baby. Natutulog po si Nitro na 9:30 hanggang 11 dapat. Tapos 2:30 hanggang 4. Yun yung sleeps niya sa isang araw. Tapos 7 a.m. to 6 a.m. siya natutulog.
Yes, you are. That's your dad. Gonna have your shirt on.
So pumunta dito si Lola sa bahay kasi Grandma is going to be Yaya for a day. Grandma, do you know what a Yaya is?
A yaya?
Yeah, Yaya. It's like a maid, kind of, right? Or a babysitter.
Oh yeah, babysitter.
Yeah, like a nanny. A nanny, yeah. Yeah. So you're gonna be the Yaya for today.
Oh, okay. Oh, he doesn't like that.
It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay, baby.
Everybody's talking.
Oh, there's Grandpa. There's Grandpa. There he is.
I can see. I see.
He's looking at himself in the mirror. Sino yan sa salamin? Boy, ha?
It's Grandma.
Ikaw yun, no? Oh, there's Grandma. Yeah, Grandma's here.
That's the look she get. The look she get. Hey, look at him. Now, did he oversleep?
No.
You didn't wake him up?
No, he looks tired still.
Yeah.
Love you.
No, he woke up by himself. Diba? Sariling sikap.
Lola, mahal kita.
Tuwing Biyernes pumupunta dito si Palola para magbantay kay Nitro, para magbonding sa kay Nitro. Daming mga motorbike dumadaan dito sa harap ng bahay. Nakakalaka.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or BISAYA, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
O Shanta, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Tinapon ko yung diaper niya.
Nitro, hey baby. Hey. You with Grandma? Oh, what's Lola got there? She's got a necklace on.
That, don't
She's
you?
got a necklace on. Yeah, Lola's got a necklace on. Yeah, yes she
What
does.
is it? What is it? That's an owl. That's an owl. Yeah, that's an owl. Yes, it is. Hey, what is it?
Oh. Yeah, he's got a cough, Grandma.
You got a cough, darling?
Yes, may sakit si baby, may ubo. Kawawa naman si Nitro. Malamig na kasi dito sa Australia. Lumalamig na. Hindi sanay si Nitro sa lamig. Diba? Kasi sa Manila, laging init eh. Okay, Dwaine fam. Bago matutulog si Nitro, let's take his temperature. Tingnan natin kung gumaling na siya. Kung wala na siyang trangkaso or
Ba't nakatalikod siya? Gusto mong harap ka sa camera?
Okay, baby, ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready, baby? Here we go. Ito na.
Oh.
Ano ba? Ano siya?
Gawin na.
It is 36.7.
Hey, gumaling na si Betty Nitro.
Hey, pero madaming sipon. Tingnan mo.
Yeah, may ubo talaga siya. Pero at least wala ng fever.
Pero alam
Temperature,
nyo, hindi. Yung ubo niya, parang dahil lang nagtititing siya. Dahil lang nagtititing siya. siya. Kasi di ba nagdribble siya ng saliva niya?
Sa bagay, no?
Nagdribble.
Parang nagpa-basketball pala siya.
I'm gonna wipe it out.
He's going across.
Oh, where's Lola? Hey, baby. Grandma playing with ya? Is great grandma playing with you?
He was chasing me around, right?
Was he? You chase great grandma. Go on. You chase great Lola. No, you're tired now.
I'm gonna get you. It really moves in that thing,
Oh, what's Lola done, huh? She's put you in the walker, Bibi Nitro. Yes, naglalakad ka na ano. He moves pretty fast, eh, Grandma? Look at him go. Yep, look at him go. Oh, you crashed. The bangga. That's it, that's it. Come on, come on, come on. That's it, that's it.
Look at you go! Yes, darling!
Ooh.
Yes, yes, yes!
Oh, he's...
Alright. Are you okay? Geez, you can move in that thing.
Yeah, I know, he's fast, eh? He's quick.
Oh, and you can get close to things too,
Bilis mo
can't
daw.
you?
Bilis mo daw,
Yes,
baby.
you can.
Yeah, bilis mo.
Oh my gosh.
Make a picture of
What's she doing, Nitro? Ha? Kumakain ka, baby? Kumakain ka, ano?
Yes. Nitro.
Lola's teaching Nitro to sit at the table, huh? Oh, very good. Like the drums, ang baby. Playing the drums, yeah.
Likes to make a noise, doesn't he?
Does.
Likes to make a noise.
Oh, look at this
I'm gonna
man.
buy him a set of drums.
What?
They made it mahugaw.
Did he?
No, we can watch that.
Oh, Grandma understood me. I was speaking in Waray.
You understood her. She spoke in Waray. You understood what she said. That it was dirty. Marunong mag-Waray si Lola.
2 hours later.
Aalis na po si Lola kasi may gawaing bahay. Tama ba? Yes. Magtrabaho siya sa bahay niya. Grandma, thanks for coming over, looking after Nitro.
Well, sweetheart, I try to get over at least once a week
Yeah.
to see me my
Every Friday.
boy.
Yes.
A few moments later.
And,
Yeah, a
you were
dream.
pregnant, But you were worried because he wasn't quite. Oh, he was 12 months. He had his birthday, and then you found out you were pregnant.
Wait, so you had a dream that Shanta was pregnant when Nitro turned 1 year old? Sige, Shanta. Sige na.
Panaginip lang
Let's
niya.
make a baby. Para may kapatid si Nitro.
Ikaw mga anak.
Baby. Oh, was that yummy? Is that yummy? Was it a girl or a boy?
A girl.
That was a girl. Nanaginip si Lola na nabuntis si Shanta, babae naman.
And I thought, oh, that
She
would
has
be
a name
Dwaine and Shanta's little girl.
She has a name for the girl.
What's the name, Grandma?
I can't think. I got it from a book at work.
Oh, did
I
you?
can't
Said
think what it was.
Anastasia Grace.
Not Anastasia Grace.
Anastasia.
No, not Anastasia.
I like Anastasia.
Anastasia.
Gabriella.
Gabriella.
Gabriella or Anastasia. I can't remember now.
Gabriella
Yeah, let's have a
Silan.
look.
Say bye-bye, Lola.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
darling.
Say bye-bye.
Bye, darling.
Boy.
See you later. Love you.
See you, Grandma.
Love you too, darling. Love you too. Mwah.
He smiled, yeah. He smiled.
Love you too. He gives me some funny looks, he does.
He does, eh? Make Magmamahal sa baby na to.
Sorry, little boy.
He's trying to get you sunglasses, Grandma.
Get the
Hey?
chicken chasing grandma.
Oh, yeah.
Last year.
Si Lola, natatakot siya sa manok namin. Takot siya sa manok. Nitro! Nitro! Hey! Nitro! Hello, baby! Hello! Hello! See you, Grandma.
See you, darling. Love you.
Love ya. So ayan, Dwaine fam, naging yaya for a day ang aking lola. Ang bait niya, no? And she really loves Nitro. Super love niya si Nitro. We see Grandma maybe tuwing Biyernes. Nakikita kami kay Lola. Kasi may trabaho siya. Kawawa, no? 73 years old na siya. May trabaho pa rin. Grabe. Sipag si Lola. Okay guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. At kita-kits po sa sunod na video ng Twata. Bye for now.